taking you behind the scenes on how I shot this from my iPhone. So here's a behind the scenes look at my setup. I'm using an overhead tripod, but if you don't have a tripod, you can place your phone on the edge of a desk or a table and shoot straight down. I am shooting in Life Lapse. You can see the ghost overlay, and that helps you determine how far you have to move it each time. Moving it a little bit, taking a photo, moving it, taking a photo. I just placed my elastic in the card to make it look like it's opened a little bit. And then I'm going to have these hearts come out of the card, so it looks like the card opens and then these hearts kind of fly out. You could replicate this concept with your products coming out of a card if you are a product-based business. This video took 15 minutes total to shoot and edit. Once you're done shooting, open the editor and it stitches everything together for you, so super easy. I'm going to increase the speed and the brightness just to make it a little more polished looking. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Follow if you want to see more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click Write a Review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.